Hey guys, it's Darryl here with retail.era.ca. Today we have something a little bit different. I have this computer, it's missing a side panel, and basically we're just going to do a quick disassembly and remove this hardware. So I'm going to start with the cables. If you do the cables afterwards, it's a little bit hard because the motherboard will be loose. So if you do it in advance, it's going to save you a little bit of a headache. So we can basically move all that off to the side now. Alright, now we got 5 screws. And we're going to remove the Wi-Fi card. That's that. Don't forget the I/O shield / plate. We are going to remove the front panel. Pardon me. Remove that drive. This should slide back because there's a hard drive there. So we are going to remove the hard drive just like that. And then we remove the power supply. And everything will get recycled that we can't actually use here individually. So that's going to go to plastic, this will go to metal. We may repurpose this, we'll repurpose that, and we will repurpose these items. Thanks. If you'd like to see more like this, be sure to leave a comment and a like, and let us know.